This is going to blow your mind. AI in manufacturing isn't just the future, it's happening now. Industry 5.0 is here, bringing humans and machines together to work smarter. Building on the tech advances from Industry 4.0 like IoT and AI, factories are evolving with AI-human teamwork. This means boosted productivity, fixing labor shortages, and safer workplaces. Think AI is all about replacing people? Think again. It empowers workers by handling repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on creativity and innovation. And supply chain issues? AI's got it covered. IoT sensors track real-time data while advanced algorithms predict problems and optimize inventory. Fewer delays and shortages mean smoother operations. Labor shortages and safety? No problem. AI and human collaboration tackle repetitive or dangerous tasks, making workplaces safer and more efficient. The tech backbone, scalable, flexible management systems, and the cloud ensure real-time visibility and smooth operations. With generative AI, factories become even more agile and responsive. Industry 5.0 is revolutionizing manufacturing. Embrace AI-human collaboration now to stay ahead. Want to learn more? Visit our website for more insights. AI and human collaboration, the key to a successful industrial revolution.